All right, so I know it's been a heck of a drawdown. It's been depressing. It's been everything you can name it. But I got some very, very encouraging stuff to show you guys today. All right, that this market might not be done. Okay, if we come over here, first off, I want to show you the total two. All right, this is everything excluding Bitcoin. All right, so this includes Ethereum in it. We are out on a weekly chart. All right, first off, I'm going to take this. This is a right from 2017. All right from the top over here. You can see that fits right on there. All right, we're going to pull this over to current. Right back over here to this top. All right, we get this situated just right, and right on the bottom. Oops. I apologize. Let's copy that one more time real quick. It can be screwed up. Don't worry. I will find a way to do it. All right, bring this over. Put it right on our top and right on our bottom down here. Right about there. Okay, that's where we want to be. So this is the total two. You can see last time, all right, we are right in. This is right to the week. All right, we are right in. According to this, we have, if we follow by the same structure, which we have. I mean, if you look at this, we're running into that structure, I should say. This candle here, pretty similar to the candle that's right over it. This candle right here, according to this, we bottomed. All right, this shows nothing but upward action if we follow the same structure as last time. Now this is the total two. This is without Bitcoin. Hang in with me here, okay? Because this is going to get pretty interesting. All right, if we come over here, go to the total three. All right, this is everything excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, same. We're doing the same exact thing right over here. Right to our high, right exactly on it. Okay, we're going to darken this up a little bit so it's visible, or lighten it up, I should say. All right, there we go. All right, we're right on the low down here. We take a trend line. You can see we're right down there on that low. Now, if we come over here and zoom in on this, it might be off just a hair. Apologize, jeez, oh man, let me copy this again real quick, guys. Please stick in there with me. Sometimes I'm not the brightest bulb in the pack, but give me a minute here, and this will all make sense. Okay, pull this over right to our top, right on our bottom, right about there. There we go. Okay, now if we zoom in on this thing, let's zoom in here. All right, this is everything excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. This ABC could be finished. We are right in that same exact area. Okay, according to this, we might have a pretty decent run up this week. This candle here was right on here, right here, down with pretty close to the low. Okay, now this one here is showing a spike up here. This ABC, like I said, this could be done. This is really, really close. All right, if you take a measurement on this thing, we've been waiting for this structure to finish up. Well, all right, you got a 702 right there. Pull that down on top. Very, very, very close. Okay, right here, with this wick right there, is that good enough? Well, the weekly RSI, if you take a look at this thing, heading straight up. All right, that thing is turned up. You got the monthly trying to turn right back up also. Okay, so they could bottom. It could have bottomed right here, and we could be heading to the upside. All right, now if we take the total, let's look at the total market cap. And please hit that like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it so much, guys. Definitely helps me out. And, you know, I appreciate the members. I got to throw you guys a huge shout out. Huge shout out. Thank you so very much. Like I said, you guys really keep me doing this, you know. I it takes, you know, it don't take a ton of my time up, but it takes, you know, 10 hours a week out of my life, you know what I mean? It isn't like I get 50,000 views a video. You know, so we're going right from the top right here. But I love you, members. Thank you, guys. Over 200 members for 4 months straight now. That's incredible. I can't thank you enough. All right, so if it's something you guys are interested, it's a level 3 membership for $14.99. You can just get a $1.99 a month membership, but the $14.99 one gets you over 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting, which is super important, especially in a bull run. All right, and get you a link to our Discord, so you can come over there and start trading with us. We do a lot of trading over there. Missed that bonk one yesterday. Put out a bonk trade. Man, oh man, that thing is so close to bottom, and it is going to rip when it hits that bottom. That's a massive trade right there. We ended up getting that one. I didn't, but a few people in the group did. The other day, that thing shot up big time. All right, now look at this. The weekly. This is our candle right here. We're on this weekly candle. It showed a low coming in right there. Okay, right there. Right, pretty similar to this. All right, so we're running into the same structure. If this follows through, next week should be a big week. All right, right where we're at. You know, this is showing a blast up about 18%. And this thing, I'm telling you, what, you know, I know a lot of people out there probably say, oh, baloney, whatever, you know what I mean? These things, it's crazy how these, you can overlap these with prior price action and things work out. All right, now what I find really interesting is that we're looking for a fifth wave out of here, correct? All right, let's take it from the top to the bottom. Look at this. That almost measures up exactly for a fifth wave. Unbelievable, right? That's what we're looking for. You know, wouldn't it be crazy if this follows through now, just like it did last time? You know, fifth wave up, ABC structure, bottoming down, you know, down here somewhere, and then ripping back up. It's crazy. Guys, this bull run, I do not believe it's over. Even after this fifth wave here, you know, which is going to really increase your wallet holdings. I'm telling you, this can be a massive move. This fifth wave, you know, we're looking at, you know, look at this. It's almost a 70% move, 68%. That's huge. That's huge. You know, so every you know, if you do it dollar-wise, every $1,000 you have in your wallet add almost double that. So it's a big, massive run. All right, now the overlapping these, we are right in the same exact areas as we were last time. That's the total market cap. All right, right there, right in that same exact ballpark. The total 2. And we're going to go over Kaspa's chart here in just a second. Look at this, right in the same exact area, right here with this candle here. This should show a big run up next week. That's everything excluding Bitcoin. If this follows through the same, and it's amazing how these things do. You know, don't doubt it. And this is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. This one here, we are off a little bit, but you know, maybe this week. You know, this is Friday, all right? So maybe we have a big run coming up here, all right? This would show a big increase. This ABC, this could be done. This structure could be over with, all right? Now, if we come over here, I do want to talk about a couple things. Gold, risk off asset, correct? People that don't want to be in stocks, they turn to gold and silver. You know, to protect their money. Gold is getting up there, you know, 24.13. If it breaks through the 786, we're looking at 25.50. All right, and what we want to see is gold and silver dropping. Now, I follow a guy that talks about the Russell 2000 a lot. All right, he said that this thing, the last bull run, the Russell 2000 goes over, covers the stock market. It holds everything in it, but you know, a mix of everything, really. You know, it gives an overall view of where the stock market is at. You know, and you can see this big pop that the Russell had. We cannot have a bull run without the Russell breaking out. All right, back here in 2021, you can see here, go off the top here, this was 2018. All right, but you can see COVID. Obviously, everybody knows where COVID right there. But look how the Russell ran right up. That was our bull run. You know, look at that. 1618. That's man, these Fibonacci levels really. You know, I would have been happy getting out there. How about you? You know, it didn't go a whole lot higher and rolled over. But this Russell is right in. If we take a look here, right in that zone. All right, right at a 618. So we want to see a breakout of that, obviously. Okay, now if we come over here, I want to show you the crypto heat map. Or you can probably hear the lawnmower in the background there. I apologize. Look at this. This is, look at all these popping here. Here's your top 100. Now if you look at the stock market heat map, look at this. This is what he was talking about with the Russell. All right, all these big ones have been soaking up all the money. All right, Google, Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon. You know, all your big ones, Tesla, Meta, all them big. Now look how it's distributing it through the smaller market cap cryptos now, or stocks now. All right, that's what we want to see. These ones here have been soaking up all the money, and these little ones have been taking a beating. But now you're seeing it distributing to the lower stocks now, which that's what you want to see. That's what he talked about with the Russell 2000 and this breaking out. So this is very, very good to see. Very positive sign. All right. Now he said that he's starting to accumulate now. You know, because of divergence in the market. You know, crypto's going down, the Russell 2000 going up, and all these, you know, all these overlays on the charts, you know, are looking great. Here's your top 100 for the day. Look at XRP, 4.7%. Nice. ADA, geez, man, I held so much of that the last bull run. A pile of it. You know, I got it for 4 cents, so that was the big difference. Big difference back then. XRP I got for, I think, 16 cents, something like that. Held a lot of both of them. ADA, though, wow. From 4 cents to over $3. That was a, man, that was a home run there. All right, let's look for Caspa. Let's pull it up. There we go, number 23 still. 48 million in volume, just over a $4 billion market cap. And for the day, we're actually down 1.4%. Expect that to change, okay? Just we got a lot going on here. This market is just getting ready to tear. I truly believe that. I really do. All right, it has shaken everybody out. It has made everybody a nervous wreck. You know, nobody wants to lose any more money. It's just absolutely pounded everybody down. You know, let's come over here to Bitcoin. It's up $933. You know, and we measured this out before. You know, wave 3. You know, you're looking at a you know, right around a 382 pullback. This thing has been right, you know, right with that, right around that measurement. Look at that. There's your 382. You know, right in that zone for a wave 4 to pull back. I just, you know, the bullish divergence on the daily with Bitcoin. You know, we talked about that run up to 60,000 bucks. That's that blue line right there. We said that was going to tell a lot. All right, if we get rejected off the 618, you know, you could have an ABC coming in through here, or just a plain out rejection. One of the two. 59,972, right about 60,000 bucks. Right, if it breaks out of this white resistance line, which that it's probably going to do that, all right, then we could be running up back up towards $70,000. All right, now if we look at the daily RSI on Bitcoin, bullish, heading to the upside. Look how low we are down here on the RSI in the bottom. You know, super, still very, very low. There's that bullish divergence. You got that low, then you have a higher low coming in there. You know, you got numerous, there's bullish divergence right there. You got this low and a higher low, numerous areas, right? The daily bullish and heading to the upside. You got your 3-day. Let's see it. Look at this, right on the floor. And once again, bullish divergence on the 3-day. Look at this. You got this low here. It goes down to, oops, right down to there, and you got a higher low coming in on the 3-day. So you got bullish divergence on the 3-day, the 5-day. There's your weekly. I mean, look at this thing. It is just primed and ready to go. I'm telling you guys, get ready. Here it comes. You know what I mean? But a lot of people have gotten shaken out. That's what it likes to do, and then it wants you to pile back in. As soon as this breaks this resistance right here, you're going to see so many people pile back into this market. It's going to be absolutely insane. No question about it. All right, we're right at right below that 200 moving average. Look at that. Now we're battling that, just right there with it. Okay, so we got to get back above it. We're right, man, oh man. I can't say we're above or below it. I mean, it is just right on it. It looks like we're just a hair below it here on the daily, or we're a hair above. No, we're above it. We're above the 200. You can see it. I mean, if you zoom in on that, so that's good to see. We needed to get back above there. Man, it's right on there, isn't it? It's so hard to tell right there on a daily. If I switch it to a 12-hour or 4-hour, it throws it off. It's different. We want the daily right there. All right, a break of 60,000 bucks. Look out. This market is just going to rampage. Then you're going to see all of everybody and their brother piling into crypto once this thing breaks this resistance and heads back towards that 70,000. FOMO is going to kick in. You know, the altcoins are going to start flying. It's going to be a lot of fun, guys. It really is. Let's head over to Caspa. All right, look at this. I mean, look at this huge pattern we got going on in here. You know, we've touched this bottom low 1, 2, 3, 4 times, the upper area twice. You know, expect to head back up there. The 12-hour RSI for Kaspa heading to the downside, but that's going to turn back up. All right, I think this thing is it's pulled back to a nice area here to take off. The 12-hour down here on the bottom RSI has turned to the upside. The 8-hour. This thing's getting ready to go. Look at the 8-hour curving back up. All right, right down about in the middle down here in the bottom. But it is curving back to the upside. Your 4-hour. Look at the 4. The 4 is right on the floor and getting ready to head back up. It's bullish. Okay, you got your daily. Let's see where the daily and the 3-day and the 5-day are. The daily is at about a 21 to 24. It's actually bearish right now on the daily. We have a green daily candle though. I mean, look at that right there, green daily candle. That's another thing on Bitcoin. You know, we had a hammer candle in there for a reversal, which, you know, you love seeing those. That's what you want to see for reversals. You know, look at this hammer right here. You got that one, and right over here. You had one, or was it right in here? You know, a reversal. You know, every time hammer candles are good indicators of bottoms. You know, once you see them, it's a good chance you've seen a bottom come in. Look at this one. Oh no, that wasn't one. But yeah, so that's another good sign. This bullish divergence, I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer here. This thing is getting ready to tear. The daily, right at the 21 to 24, a green daily candle. The 3-day, I'm going to give some targets here too, guys. The 3-day is turning back to the upside. Look at that curve on that thing. All right, and your 5-day. The 5-day. I'm going to get over to Discord here after this too, guys. I'm looking at a few trades here. I keep trying to catch that bonk bottom. Man, oh man, that thing, I'm telling you, it is going to rip. The 5-day is actually bullish or bearish, a 69 and a 73. You can see down here on the bottom, we're coming back right down to that moving average, and looks like it's going to bounce off of it. All right, now let's go back to this daily, because there are some key areas here that we have pulled back to. We talked about a possible A, B, C pattern in here, or I'm sorry, it was over here, A, B, C, right in here. Let's go in on a 4-hour. All right, yeah, right in here. Okay, we got an A, a B. We're looking for that that next push up here, up towards. Measure this out. Look at that pullback, absolutely perfect. You know, that's what you want to see. What did we got? Oh, that's the volume. All right, but we ran up, pulled right back to a 618, wicked down to a 702, and bouncing from there. All right, the target for this this one here would be, hold that. Yeah, we're shooting for right about 18.5. All right, now we get that ABC, and we'll see what happens after that. You know, I'm expecting upside movement from everything. I think once Bitcoin breaks out of that resistance, this market is going to absolutely rip. And then if we break out the upside of this pattern, look at this, guys. All right, look at the size of this thing forming up here. All right, then that would give us our target up towards our 25 cents. We have a long ways to go yet. If this bull run, if that chart expands, if we get an expansion for Bitcoin, you know, in the whole market cap, if it rips out of that 786 and takes off, you know, count on Caspa going well above $1 this bull run. You know, I truly 100% believe that. You know, or I wouldn't even say it. So things are looking great, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Hang in there. It's I believe we bottomed out, and let's get this thing ready to go. Thanks a lot. I will talk to you guys very soon. Have a great day, everybody.